So I just want to show you the end of term procedures for Canvas. It's simple enough, but some of the steps take a little bit of time, and so I'm going to try to edit this video for time so that you do not have to wait, and we'll see how that goes. So what you'll do is you'll go into the course that has all of your stuff in it, and this is a course that has all of the items that I want to keep, but it's full of student data, and so I want to get this stuff over into my course for next time. So what I can do is go down here to Settings, and then look over here to the right, and there is a button here that says Copy this course, and some folks have tried to use that, and we've seen mixed results with the Copy this course button. I have found more consistent results with using the Export Course Content option. So we'll click on that, and then it asks me if I want to export a course or a quiz, and I want the entire course, which includes the quizzes, and then I create export. And then this is the portion that I said can take a while, and so we will wait on this and come back when it is done. It should send you, Canvas should send you an email when it's done, and it's safe to close this window out while you're waiting on it. Okay, so it seems to have finished, and let me check my email, and yep, here is an email. It says your course export has, and now I see that I have a course export that was completed on today, just now. So I can click here to download the file, and this actually downloads that backup file locally to my computer, so I'm just going to save this somewhere where I can find it. And this is good because I will have a local backup of my course, and if anything happens, I will have that handy. Now that I have that on my computer, I can proceed with the import into the new course. So I can go up here to Courses and Groups, and I want to look at the course for next term, and I can see here I was working in summer 2013, and now I will be working in fall 2013. So let me click on that, and this course is blank and it is unpublished, so students can't get to it. There's, all of my modules are not there, and there's nothing in the course. So I can go over here to Settings and choose Import Content into this course. I have a content package. I want to import from Canvas, and then I need to go and find that file that I downloaded. So hopefully I saved it somewhere that I can find, and import. Now this step can take a while as well, and it should send me an email when it is complete, so I can navigate away from this screen and then check on it later, or just wait for the email to come in. And it should show you this message here that says that it is cooking, and again, it's safe to navigate away from this screen while it's doing its thing. Okay, so I think I have received the email from Canvas telling me that I can proceed, so let me check my email, and yep, here it is. It says your content is ready to be imported, click this link. So I follow the directions. Now I have to choose which items from that import I actually want to copy over. Now I just want to copy everything, so I'm going to leave everything checked, but this would be a good time to maybe exclude some things that you do not want. All of these images here are pictures that go along with the standardized tests that go with the book. I don't know what they are, but they all go with the tests. But I want all of my discussions and everything. So I'm just going to leave everything checked. But this would be a good time to leave out items that you did not care for from the previous version of the test. And I can see that all of my quizzes are here, assignments, everything is included. And so I'm going to import course content, and I usually just leave this unchecked, and then I will go and manually adjust due dates myself, because Canvas does not know what my new due dates will be. So I will click import course content. And this is another step that can take a while, and it just sort of depends on how much stuff you're importing from this file. So again, it's safe to just let this do its thing and come back later. Now, one thing I probably should point out while this is cooking, we'll talk about something else. One thing that I should point out is that this import process does not actually import the settings that you may have for that old course. So, for example, in my old course, I have a lot of these buttons hidden. Let me go to the old course here. You can see I have a lot of these buttons hidden. I don't want students getting to these and getting confused and emailing me, so they're just hidden from students. But that is a setting that is specific to this course, and that setting is not copied over with this import that we're doing. So let me go back to the new course, over here to settings and navigation here. And like all of these buttons, I do not want students to see necessarily. I have the course set up to sort of steer them towards these items when it is appropriate. So they can get to the modules button. They cannot get to the announcements or assignments. They can get grades, and I think I left the people option available. Outcomes should go away, and attendance should go away. And so the way we hide them from students is just to drag these buttons down here. And there's no way to rename these items, but we can hide them, and we can reorder them if we want them to be in different places. But I think that I will make it about like that. And then be sure to save any changes that you make. And we can do all of this while it is importing the content from that other file, and it should send us an email when it's done, so we'll just wait on that. Okay, so it has been some time, and I have just gotten the email here saying that my course import has finished, so I can click the link in the email, and hopefully I see my course is still not published. I want that message to go away. But I do have all of my stuff from the other course. So it did a good job of importing all of those items, and I can click on my quizzes here and see that it did actually pull over all of the test banks and quizzes, and I just need to go in now and update the due dates and things. I can look on the people button and see that I've already got some students showing up for this term, but they cannot see this course because it is not published yet. And I can go ahead and publish it, and it should be invisible to them until the official start date of the term. So that gets all of my content moved over, and I should be in good shape to start the course, and I can publish it to make it available to students, and I should be in good shape to start the course for the next term. Thanks.